So I would say that Bitcoin is without a doubt the best crypto to invest your money or time into today. Even though thousands of alternative coins, which could also make you money, have come up since Bitcoin was invented in 2009, Bitcoin still has about 43% of the crypto market share. That is more than double the closest competitor, Ethereum, whose market cap share is just 19%. So why venture into Bitcoin today? Well, Bitcoin can give you quick profits for your investments, has very high liquidity, and is relatively safe as a long-term investment. That said, there are two ways you can get a hold of Bitcoins, and that is buying or mining. Buying could be from a Bitcoin ATM or a crypto exchange like Binance, or even peer-to-peer purchases. But if you don't have money to buy Bitcoin, well, the alternative is to mine them. So Bitcoin has a fixed maximum supply of 21 million, and currently there are still about 2 million Bitcoins left to mine. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you about CryptoTab Browser, a tool that you can use on your smartphones, laptops, tablets, pretty much any devices you own to mine Bitcoin automatically. And the best part is, it is completely free to do. Yes, you can actually mine Bitcoin for free, and I'm going to show you exactly how in this video. With that said though, if you are looking to buy and trade Bitcoin easily and quickly, you can sign up on Binance Exchange. Make sure you use my exclusive link in the description box below this video to save 10% on your trading fees. I'll also link CryptoTab Browser in the description as well, so be sure to check those links out. And now, without further ado, let's get into today's video and let's talk about CryptoTab Browser and how you can mine some Bitcoin for free. So what is CryptoTab Browser and what exactly does it do? Well, CryptoTab Browser is simply what the name suggests, a browser that also offers crypto mining. The browser officially defines itself as an innovative browsing solution combining the edgiest web technologies with the unique built-in mining algorithm. From the definition, you can pretty much understand what it does already. You install it like any other browser on your computer or smartphone and use it to access basically anything on the internet that you usually would. And while the browser is open, it uses some of your device's resources to mine Bitcoin in the background, and you get a percentage of what's mined. So let's talk about some of the key features that you'll get on CryptoTab. First of all, browsing tools that help you access the web. So basically it is just like a normal browser, but they have a built-in mining algorithm to mine Bitcoin in the background. This is just unique to CryptoTab. They also have compatibility with Chrome extensions and access to Chrome Web Store as well. So yeah, basically any plugins you use on Chrome can be used on CryptoTab Browser as well. They also have Chrome to CryptoTab data importing, so you can literally import all of your saved passwords and other info directly into CryptoTab with just a couple of clicks. And just like Chrome and other browsers, you can sync across all of your different devices. It's available on PC, Macs, Android smartphones, and also iPhones as well. So any devices that you have, you can pretty much get this on and use it on all of them. They have a Lite and a Pro version, which I'll speak a little bit more about shortly. They also have Cloud Boost to improve Bitcoin mining, and a really good referral system as well, which once again, I will talk about very shortly in the video. So how do you start mining on CryptoTab? Well, first of all, I would like to mention that while CryptoTab does have a Pro version, which you pay for, you can still browse and mine on the free version, so do not worry. And the steps are very straightforward, which I find good, as the whole world of Bitcoin mining can be rather complicated for newbies. But yeah, with CryptoTab, it is super simple, and I'm going to show you exactly how in just a minute. So I'm going to guide you through it super quickly to help you get started. So step one is just going to be downloading and installing CryptoTab. This step, of course, will depend on the device you're using. CryptoTab is supported on Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. And for reference, in this version, I'm going to be using a PC. So you can download it directly on CryptoTab's official website. I'll have a link to it in the description down below. And once you're done downloading, just set it up and install it like you would with any other program. So step two is just going to be to start the browser and set up your account. Okay, log in and all of that good stuff. And you can do all your importing. If you're importing from Chrome, all that's going to be explained on the browser. It's very simple to do. So once the setting up bit is done, just start the browser, and then on the drop down menu on the right hand side, go to settings, set up your account, and here you can use your email address or your social media handles. Step number three, the very important part, the best part, activating the mining. Now to start mining, just click on the CryptoTab icon, which you'll see on the top right next to your profile, and turn on mining mode. You can increase or reduce the mining speed here too. This is going to affect how much of your computer that it's using. Remember though, you will need to keep the browser open to mine, so you won't be mining if you close it or you're offline or your computer's offline or anything like that. You need to keep the browser open for it to be mining, and that is basically it. So at this point, I'd just like to quickly mention that obviously mining isn't the only way you can earn Bitcoin on CryptoTab. The browser also runs a referral program where you can get more people to join your mining network. And then you get a share of the Bitcoin they mine as well. And this will add up a lot over time and is a very, very nice bonus. So tell your family and friends to start using CryptoTab too and send them your referral link. So how fast is CryptoTab's mining feature? Well, a Bitcoin network's total mining power is measured by what's known as the hash rate, expressed as hashes per second. The higher the hash rate, the easier it is to mine a block, and the faster you earn block rewards. So how fast can you mine Bitcoins on CryptoTab will depend on the version that you go for. The free basic version, known as CryptoTab Lite, combined with Cloud Boost, has a hash rate of 1 kilohash per second, while the Pro version has an upgraded 1.5 kilohash per second. Now, that may not sound like a big difference, but it is 50% faster, and that will add up a lot over time. So how's the CryptoTab user experience in my opinion? Well, CryptoTab does give you a pretty good user experience. It's easy to get around and understand, even for complete newbie crypto miners. You literally need no technical experience at all to do this. It saves users from the technical bits of crypto mining, as you don't need to understand the actual mining process to earn Bitcoin. You literally just click a button and it starts automatically for you. Also, the fact that you can import everything from Chrome into CryptoTab makes this browser quite user-friendly, and you'll probably even forget that you even switched from Chrome. On the other hand though, I would say that it could do better in payment turnaround. So CryptoTab's browser currently has a 2.8 star rating on Trustpilot, with most complaints being about payment delays and difficulty getting any assistance from the support. And honestly, from my experience, these complaints are accurate. Don't get me wrong, okay? I have received my payments every single time, but I wish they were a lot faster. So when you request a withdrawal from CryptoTab, it will tell you that it'll take around 1 business day, but please do not be surprised if it takes like maybe a week, okay? The payment will come, so don't panic, but it will be slow. It honestly probably will not take that 1 day. So is CryptoTab Browser a legit platform? Well, overall, I would say CryptoTab is 100% legit. Its browser works really well, and the mining option does earn you Bitcoin that you can withdraw. It's great if you're new to crypto and are unable to actually buy Bitcoin. But unless you have a pretty extensive network and spend many hours running the browser, it's not going to make you rich. Bitcoin has become harder and more expensive to mine, especially if you don't have a lot of computing power. Now, if you want to get your hands on significant Bitcoin holdings in a much shorter time, then I would recommend just signing up to Binance and just buying Bitcoin. You can then earn rewards for holding your coins or turn a profit by trading them. So I've left a link to an exclusive sign-up link in the description box that'll save you 10% in trading fees across Binance for life. But like I said, CryptoTab is going to be absolutely perfect for you if you don't have the funds to buy Bitcoin, which I understand. This is going to be a way to get a little bit of Bitcoin for free just to help get you started. So if you've reached this point of the video, you can support the channel by liking the video and sharing it with others. I regularly upload content on a variety of crypto topics, so subscribe and ring the notification bell to not miss out on any future uploads. So have you already tried CryptoTab Browser? I would love to hear your experience in the comments below, so please drop a comment. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.